Linearis, the new generation damper actuator made by Ares. The core of the linear system is the lead screw, made of self-lubricating Iglidur high-performance polymer. Combined with a highly resistant lead screw and its optimized flanks, the dry-spin technology allows an extremely high efficiency. By using a high-helix lead screw, the actuator runs with a low motor speed, even at a fast actuating speed. Consequently, there is a longer service life of the motor and the movement is slow and smooth, while the lead screw runs quiet and with a minimum of vibration. The lead screw itself is vibration absorbing. By use of the self-lubricating polymer, a lubrication of the lead screw is superfluous, even in an environment with dirt and dust. By the way, the Fraunhofer Institute approved the Linearis as lapse-free. Max is enthusiastic, but not only the screw drives inside the Ares linear actuators are impressively good. High-strength anodized aluminum milled parts make the design more robust than ever, even at critical points. The long holes for fastening allow a single mechanic to handle the actuator safely. The installation of the actuators is even easier than expected, because all models of the new generation are exchangeable with all damper actuators, which Ares delivered until 2014, and they are mountable in any positions. Max knows from experience that plant parameters can change over time and thereby the requirements of the actuator regarding actuation time and force. So what sense does it make to have a maintenance-free and long-life linear motion unit while the motor parameters cause trouble? He asks Michael about this issue and he is happy about hearing that Ares thought about this too. The drive head of a linear damper actuator is now individually exchangeable. So the linear unit can still be used while the drive head eventually has to be exchanged. A complete disassembly is not necessary anymore. Michael more than convinced Max, but he still has an ace up his sleeve. For the first time, fully electronic drives are being used, besides the conventional electromechanical actuators. Stepping into the next generation is easier than ever by simply changing the drive head. And Max will be able to operate the damper actuators with his touchpad or smartphone via a Wi-Fi connection. He not only invested in a maintenance-free system, but has personal control over all regulation units in his complex plant at every time. Max is saving time and money for himself and his staff after switching to the new Ares linear motion drives, and the damper actuators are running smoothly. Just in case, Max and his staff have direct access to a system that is maintenance-free for a long time. Linearis, the new generation damper actuator made by Ares.